Bonjour tout le monde, Alissa ici avec une autre vidéo de slow fashion. Actually, today is a beauty video because I am continuing my series on French girl style, and today it's all about achieving that effortless French girl inspired makeup or no makeup look. I am definitely no makeup artist and I'm not really a beauty expert either, so I've actually brought in a good friend who is a professional makeup artist. She's the one who did my face today, so she's gonna show you how we did this on my face. I'm actually really excited for you to see this. For those of you who are new, welcome. Every week I talk about slow fashion with a heavy focus on the principles of minimalism. So using and loving what you already have and making smart shopping decisions so that you can create a closet full of pieces that you actually love and wear. So if that sounds like your jam, hit subscribe below. I post every Sunday. And for those of you who are coming back, big hello. Thank you so much for coming back and watching. Let's jump on in and meet my wonderful friend Melody. So Melody is a dear friend of mine and she's actually a pro makeup artist. We've worked on commercial sets together, and I thought, since I don't know the first thing about beauty, like literally, like I don't even own a makeup brush.
It's true. I've seen inside her makeup drawers.
I enjoy not having to spend too much time on my makeup, and so I thought Melody would be a good person to actually do this video with.
I love the French girl look, and I think I practice a lot of it in my own world too.
Yes,
like for myself as well.
Yeah. Okay, good base, skincare. Talk to us, Melody.
So skincare is the most important. It should be the most important for all of us because you only have one skin, so you want to make it last a lifetime. But one of the secrets to French girl beauty and that chic look to their skin is maintaining the radiance. So you don't want to use anything too harsh. So when you're using a cleanser, you want something that's gentle, retains the moisture of the skin. So I brought along Étymologie, and this is a beautiful gentle cleanser that, you know, maintains the moisture levels in your skin without drying it out. Great for sensitive skin. And then we want to replenish moisture back in the skin because makeup works better. And when we use our fingers and some of the products I'll show you, that everything kind of moves, but we want to make sure that we're getting that skin to glow without using major makeup and highlighters. Another idea of French girl beauty is multitasking products. It needs to be used for more than one thing, or you can use it in more than one area.
Yes.
So we're going to warm up the Weleda skin food in my fingers, and then what you want to do is you want to just push it into the skin.
Oh gosh, that's not how I put it on.
Push it into the skin because we don't want to stretch the skin. They're all into these little bit of like secret rituals and how they apply products. You can even go over the lips with this one because it's nice. So we can give a little bit of a little balm effect and moisturize the lips at the same time. And there we have moisturized skin that's glowy. You can actually see it. Alyssa, can you go this way?
Okay.
So you can actually see from the light that she's got a radiant looking skin, and I've only done moisturizer.
I love it.
Brilliant.
I'm ready to go.
You're ready to go. You know what? Maybe that's your French girl style, is moisturize and go, but get something that actually adds to the look of your skin. Remember, it's glowy, not overly shiny, not overly highlighted with product. It should happen from almost within as the whole look. Next up, what we want to do is I'm going to use, again, I love the idea of multitasking. So I'm going to use, for example, on the complexion, we're only going to use it where we need to. So instead of using a full coverage foundation, we're going to use a tinted moisturizer with the SPF in it because French girls swear by their SPF. This is essential if you're going after anti-aging. So I'm going to take a little bit up. I use the First Aid Beauty. It is their triple protection skin tint. Apparently it's got goji berries in there, which I love. But if you are not using an SPF product, let me show you this quick tip.
Oh.
So just imagine this is something else.
So
without
like
an SPF.
BB cream without SPF or something?
Exactly. What you want to go after is just the areas where you might find there's a little bit of redness. So just go where we need to. Now we have a bit of an even skin tone. We've maintained the radiance. We keep the glow. And I have to say, when it comes to that French girl beauty, one of my favorite things is using cream products, okay? Cream blushes, creamy. Stay away from the matte because they have a fresh look to them. That's why as they age, they don't look their age all the time because they maintain that radiance and that glow to the skin, and by using the products and layering them. Next up, let's add a little bit of color. I like to start with the cheeks because then it kind of allows me how much am I going to play up or play down everything else to maintain that balance. So I'm gonna dip into, this is the Vooqo. It's a cream blush, but it can also be used on the lips. Multitasking product. So you can actually pop this into your purse when you go, and because it's cream and I don't use a lot of powders for a French girl look, that you can take it out at any time and touch up the color on your lips, or you can just touch on your cheeks and freshen up your look before you onto the next part of your day. So take a little bit up with your fingers, and then Alyssa, I'm gonna get you to look towards me.
Okay.
And where we're gonna put it is just a little bit below on the cheek, but below the outer corner of the eye. So we're gonna drop some of the color here. What that does is drop the concentration of color, and then we can move it forward or backwards to blend it in. And because the skin is dewy and moist, everything moves together and melds in. So again, the whole idea is you have that radiant skin and that color that comes from within.
Does it matter where you put the blush on your face depending on your face shape?
Depending on what you want to do, I kind of like a little bit in the front, a little bit the apples, and then pull back, because when you smile, it kind of sits with you. So that's what you would want to take in. We're not looking to reconstruct the shape of the face. Go with what you already have. Flattering is keeping this natural flush a little bit more on the front where skin would naturally flush anyway. And then your thumbs work well. We're going to touch on the top of the cheek and below. And you're going to take out any harsh lines that you may have applied with your fingers, and we're going to blend it into the skin. And remember, there's no powder involved, so everything blends and flows together. Can we do some lips?
Yeah.
So this is my favorite. So same product, but by using your fingers, you have that kind of sort of lip stained look. It's not perfected. You don't want that sharp line or that sharp shape. Follow naturally what's going on.
Sorry, I should
You should look at
you, huh?
You can look at me. They always laugh. And don't worry about being perfect, because you know what? You can always take a Q-tip and fix the edges of the lip. So a lot of the colors that French girls use mimic real life tones and plays them up. So your flush, you know, you're not going for something really harsh and dark. It's really about what would happen naturally to your skin. So for every day, I like to add just a little something, a little oomph to the eye, but nothing too dark, nothing too heavy. And again, can we make it fast? Can we do it with our fingers? Absolutely. So I'm going to use, this is Beauty Counter. This is their Statement eyeshadow palette. Yes, there's a few eye colors here, so we can take it from day to night. But for daytime, I like to use something soft. So this is like kind of like a soft, kind of taupey pink sort of idea. And I'm going to pick it up. There's a bit of a shimmer, so it's going to be Eye Awakening.
Ooh.
Take it up with your finger. I like to use the ring finger. And then, Alyssa, I'm gonna get you to close your eye and just the lid. Don't worry about contour and shading and crease and all that. Start in the middle, work your way across. Having short nails helps this, and that's another sneaky French girl thing. They don't wear long nails because they're out enjoying life, and sometimes those long nails are in the way. You can add, see there's a little bit of difference between the two eyes.
Tell.
But it's not heavy, it's not dark, so that it's not too bright and too white, which you want to definitely stay away with. Then you can leave it, mascara, and go. Can we add a little bit of something to it? Yeah. Let's go for a little bit of a nighttime look.
So if we were going night, I think the only thing, and what I had kind of discovered, a French woman might just add a little bit of eyeliner, touch up her lip, and then she's done, which I love.
Exactly. I'm going to use the Beauty Counter. This is their black pencil. All right, so here we go. We're going to take it at a different angle. And I'm going to show you how to add that black liner in without being too dramatic and too sharp, but just stunning enough. So you're going to apply your pencil, preferably before mascara, but it can be applied after. Instead of stretching out the eye, which stretches the skin, and remember,
I do that all the time.
French girls use their skin care and application techniques so that they don't stretch the skin. They preserve the elasticity as long as they can. So lift up the eyelid, bring your pencil in from below, and we're going to slightly dot it through, little mini stroking of the eyeliner. You're getting it in between the lashes. So this is a great way if you're not used to wearing black eyeliner. You do not need to be a perfectionist with this. And you can see that we have the shape to the eye, but it's not dark, it's not heavy. It's kind of sleek, it's chic. And the best part is if you use a really soft pencil like this Beauty Counter one, that you can smudge it with
like a Q-tip?
With a Q-tip or a small brush if you have one, and you kind of get that smudgy lived-in look at the same time.
Oh, I like that.
You can go under the eye with it, same technique, come in from underneath.
Do I have to
and open? And then you want to fill in underneath. But I'm going to tell you, if you could see Alyssa up close, I asked her if she was wearing eyeliner when I walked in. She has the most lush
Oh.
Black eyelashes on the bottom. It looks like she's got that built-in eyeliner look. And that again goes with that French girl chic. Use what you already have. Okay, so when it comes to mascara application, going with a voluminous formula is about building up the lashes, making them thicker and fuller. If you have naturally thick or fuller lashes, a lengthening and separating formula is what you want to go after.
Okay, this is my full French girl, natural, but still kind of made up, which I think is awesome. Thank you.
You are so welcome. I love the no makeup look and play on your features rather than trying to hide certain things.
Yeah, I agree.
So you can progress to it and you still don't need a lot of products to go from an everyday fresh face to glam out. It's all really with what you have. You don't need a drawer full of products to do it with.
No, I love that. And I think, yeah, I don't know. Well, you tell me, or you tell us what you think if we achieved that effortless French no makeup look. And so I'm going to link to all of the products that Melody used below in case you're interested.
It's quite a mix of products, but I tend to try and go with cleaner formulas where possible.
Yay. Okay, do we tackle French girl effortless hair?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah. Towards the camera?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for directing my video.
So that swoop in the front with a lower side part is one look. So you can even do this, leave your hair straight. What Alyssa did was pull it back, and she's got a natural wave to her hair. So she pulled it back into a low ponytail, and then you can see here what I absolutely love is it's finger, like she ran her fingers through it to pull it back, so there's no brush that she used with it. And there's a little bit of a lift. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to get the a little bit of the bun look. So take that ponytail out from 3 wraps. Use 2 wraps of the elastic.
Oh.
Pull it tight because this allows a little bit of looseness and you can wear it all day without causing a headache. Oh. Then we're going to twist the hair around, wrap it a little bit of a donut shape, and then I have a little something in my pocket. So I have these curly spiral like pins. They're great because then you don't have to stick them in your teeth to open them. Get the hair wrapped. And several of these pins would be a good idea, but if you're on the go, one works. Tuck it all in, and then you're gonna twist this in. An extra pin on this side will hold it all in, but it's never overdone. So we have this here, and then if you come back and go this way, there it is. So we have that low bun. This is a really great way to have a quick and easy kind of updated sort of idea, and I kept the poof.
Yeah.
Another secret to French girls leaving their hair down, embrace a natural texture if you have it. So let's pull this out. We're gonna pull out the ponytail.
Okay. Yeah, I found texture, like they all had this kind of texture.
It's never overheat styled. And that preserves, not using a lot of heat helps to preserve the health of the hair too. So just as they're smart about their skincare, it's the same thing with their hair. So to embrace that natural texture, a lot of French girls and European don't overwash their hair. I find it's a North American thing to do a lot of hair washing. Yeah. So just go through to the roots.
Oh my god, I've never used this, eh?
Oh, I just did.
This is my dry shampoo, which I purchased feeling super brave, and I have no idea how to use it. So is that all you do? You just spritz it?
Lift up the hair. Yeah. So this is great on freshly washed hair if you want a little bit of oomph to it. Yes. Oh. Because sometimes when it's too fresh, it's too soft. Yeah. So you want a little bit of grip to it. So lift the hair up, go into the roots, leave it, and do section by section. You don't have to be a pro. Your sections don't have to be even. Just get to the roots and you want to massage it in. So if it's day 2, day 3 of unwashed hair, same technique, but what we want to do is massage that in so you will not see any white powder residue. You massage it in. The massaging it works the product through. We love the one from Davines because it smells so good and it works so well without weighing the hair down. It's not a lot of layered products either. It's about embracing the natural hair that they have, keeping it well conditioned and not overdoing it with the heat styling tools. Not to say that they don't use them, but it's minimal.
Yay, I'm ready to go. I need somewhere to go now.
Let's do lunch.
Let's do lunch. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit of a different format than normal, but if you want to see more of Melody, let me know in the comments below. And also, she does have an Instagram page, which is awesome and full of great tips. So I will link that down in the description box below as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have an incredible week ahead ahead, a wonderful rest of your Sunday, and I will be back with another slow fashion video. Thank you so much for watching. Au revoir!